Hi, Paula. Hi. Hello, Hebe.
Marvin, Paula. Ayan.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, boss. Sorry,
like it?
I can't really talk to you because my baby's here.
Alam mo, might know
She's a jealous type eh.
Kaya alam mo, ganyan, dapat talaga, alam mo, Marvin, mabait naman ako sa'yo kahit na ginaganyan mo ako sa harapan ng maraming
I'm not talking to her.
Pero, ito na nga,
You
sige.
know?
Ikaw na magtanong sa kanya ng dapat ako magtatanong. Sige, ikaw na.
Talaga?
Sige, take it away.
Okay.
Dito ka lang.
Paula,
Yeah?
you like me?
Uy, wala.
Ay!
Hindi naman yung tanong ko. Hindi yan yung tanong ko.
Tell us about your movie, Love
Ayan.
Online.
Are you sure you want to know about my movie?
Ayan.
Okay. Well,
You have a boyfriend na pa.
Hindi ako masyado.
my movie Love Online, we're premiering tonight.
Wow.
Tonight, you gonna come?
Yes, I will.
I don't
Ay,
have.
ano ba? Kasi nakaka...
I don't have a date. I don't have a date.
I don't also. Ay, meron pala.
Anyway,
Go with
we
her.
have.
Nalito ako sa'yo, Paula. You're so beautiful. But my babe is more beautiful and sexy. Yes.
I'll tell Rupert, we have the premiere tonight.
Tonight.
But it will be hitting cinemas on the 19th, so that's when everyone can go and check it out. But if you want to come tonight, that's SM Megamall.
SM Megamall
Ano,
Cinema.
Cinema.
The showing is on Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
What cinema? Cinema 10? Cinema 9?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
Cinema 3.
Summer.
You'll
Wow.
find us. You'll find us.
Okay, so mamaya na daw ang premiere night nila
Love
sa
on
SM.
Love
Megamall.
Online with
You're gonna
Vic
love it.
Soto.
Yeah, of
Of course.
Okay.
Idol
Okay.
bossing. Maganda yan.
Pero syempre, papanoorin mo yan.
Hindi nga. Sama kita.
Total, nandito na rin tayo. Gusto ko na rin mag-thank you sa Sundance, sa Petty One, sa Clad Shop, sa Cathy Valencia. Thank you, Dental Focus, and Micaela. Thank you.
Ako
And
rin, magte-thank you.
Oh, sige, ikaw muna.
Thank you, Paula. Ay, Jenny na rin ba yan? I'm sorry.
Harap-harapan na yan, Marvin, ah.
Micaela, ayan.
Thank you, Paula.
Mr. Gan.
Thank you. Okay,
And of course, ito na.
up next. Nako.
Next na po, talagang ibang level na to. Makikilala na natin ang mga contestants, mga contenders ng Celebrity Duet Season 3.
Ayan, nako, favorite show ko to.
Yes.
Plus, we also have your favorite female artists from the 90s are also going to be with us.
Yes, yes, yes. At ang first anniversary celebration ng Tropang Bilib Ka Ba Nights ng GMA. Susunod na when SOP returns.
Ganda-ganda mo. You're so beautiful.